1 centimeter thin, weighing just 1 kg, powered by the new Snapdragon X Elite platform with a detachable AI magnetic camera. This is the Honor MagicBook Art 14 Snapdragon, and I've partnered with Honor to tell you all about it. Now, the unboxing experience is super straightforward. We've got a slim box with the Honor MagicBook Art 14 Snapdragon, as well as some paperwork. Then there is a separate box with a USB Type-C cable, as well as an included 65-watt power adapter. And here it is. We've got a Magnesium Alloy Body, as well as a titanium alloy keyboard, and it's just around 1 centimeter thin and weighs just 1.02 kg. So it's super compact and light. It comes in this starry gray color, and we've got this smooth velvet-like texture, which feels really nice. And Honor have been inspired by vine leaf curves, which you'll find throughout this device. Now, let's see if it passes the one-handed opening test. Indeed it does. And this reveals the stunning display. It's a 14.6-inch 3.1K OLED on a full-view touch display. We've got up to 120 Hz for the refresh rate, up to 700 nits peak brightness, 100% DCI-P3 color gamut, with super slim bezels. These are some of the smallest bezels that you're going to see on any laptop, around 2.2 millimeters for the top left and the right, and that gives it around a 97% screen to body ratio. Now, Honor have actually done something very unique to be able to achieve this high screen to body ratio. Traditionally on laptops, for the camera, you'll have either slightly thicker bezels, you'll have a notch, which I'm sure a lot of you guys are not a fan of. I've even seen implementations where you have a key that pops up, but that's a very low angle. Honor have gone for something completely different, and that is a detachable AI magnetic camera. Now, this sits on the side and pops out very easily, and then snaps on magnetically to the top of the device. How cool is that? Now, this gives you some key advantages. The main one, of course, being privacy. You're not going to have to worry about somebody hacking into your laptop and gaining access to your camera and seeing all of the things that you do in private. And because you can physically take this off and take it away, you're not going to have to worry about leaving it on at the end of a meeting or something. In addition to that, it can be flipped 180 degrees. So instead of doing this, you know, when you're like on your laptop and you kind of turn it around to show somebody what you're seeing, you can just flip this camera around, snap it on, and boom. And once you're done, you can just pop the camera off and then tuck it away in its slots. Now, it does have a symmetrical design, so you can put it in either way. I absolutely love this. We only use our webcams for a short period of time when we're using our laptops. So being able to just pop it off and put it away and for it to not interrupt that beautiful display is amazing. Now, the display technologies don't just stop there. Honor have brought over some of their smartphone display technologies here onto the Honor MagicBook Art 14 Snapdragon. So this has 4320 Hz PWM flicker-free dimming, and it's also got a TÜV Rheinland low blue light certification, as well as a TÜV Rheinland flicker-free certification. This means that this is going to be so much easier on the eyes compared to lots of other laptops out there. Now let's talk about what's under the hood. So this is powered by the Snapdragon X Elite platform with single and dual core boost of up to 4.0 GHz, as well as 45 TOPS. That's 45 trillion operations per second for on-device AI. You've got 32 gigabytes of RAM with 1 terabyte of storage, as well as intelligent cooling. So there's an ultra slim biometric cooling system which reduces operating noise by up to 3 dB while effectively controlling the external temperature. Now, being a Snapdragon X Elite powered laptop, of course, compatible ARM-based software will have the maximum efficiency and smooth performance. But what about x86 based applications? Well, Honor have worked hard to give you a seamless transition of traditional x86 applications to the ARM architecture, giving you extensive software compatibility and a smooth user experience across a wide range of apps. In addition to that, the chipset is enhanced with OS Turbo 3.0, which is an AI-powered feature that uses machine learning to optimize energy efficiency. Now, being a Copilot Plus PC, of course, we've got all of the new AI features that you may have heard about. We've got on-device AI experiences. Recall will be coming soon. There's Co-Creator, which is one of my favorites. It can make anybody into an artist. You can just start doodling, add a description, and it's going to create a masterpiece for you. Live captions is something that I absolutely love, and you can put it on for anything that's playing on screen, including things that are in different languages, and it will live translate those for you too. We've got Windows Studio Effects version 2. My favorite is eye contact, which pretty much does what I do with my sunglasses in my videos. I can be looking at my notes, but still maintain that eye level. But because this is on a laptop, it's going to give you some unique experiences with its ecosystem that you're not going to find on other laptops. So if you've got on a smartphone or tablet, you're going to be able to transfer files, images, and videos efficiently just with one simple click. And with Honor's Magic Ring software, you can very quickly and easily connect your devices together. And once connected, you can not only drag and drop files easily between your devices, but you can also utilize the features of your other devices. So for example, if you've got an image on the Honor MagicBook Art 14 Snapdragon and you want to use the AI Magic Eraser on your Honor smartphone, you can simply drag it over, use AI Magic Eraser, and then bring that image back onto your laptop, just like that. There's also screen sharing, so you can extend your desktop onto your Honor tablet or smartphone, and you can also mirror what's on your Honor laptop onto your Honor tablet or smartphone. This is ideal if, for instance, you want to use a pen to draw something. It'll be much easier to do this on your smartphone or tablet than on the laptop screen. Now let's take a look at the ports. So on the left-hand side, we do have the AI magnetic camera, and then we've got two USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 ports, which do support up to 10 gigabits per second. And on the right-hand side, we have a full-size USB-A 3.2 Gen 1 port, a full-size HDMI 2.1 TMDS port. It's actually pretty amazing how both of these just about fit in this slim design. And then of course we have a 3.5mm headphone and mic jack. Now the Honor MagicBook Art 14 Snapdragon does support Wi-Fi 7 technology, and it has a smart antenna design. So 5G and Wi-Fi signal strength is increased by up to 50%. And we've got 360 degrees all-round networking and up to 360 meters ultra long distance networking. Now taking a look at the keyboard, it is a full-size backlit titanium keyboard with plenty of travel, 1.5mm. There's a fingerprint power button which will quickly and easily let you unlock your device. And then we've got this large touchpad, which is probably the largest size they could have fit in this device. It goes all the way to the bottom. Now this supports 5-point multi-touch, and it's a force pad with integrated multi-function gestures, which I absolutely love. Let me talk you through them. So once you enable this, you can single knuckle tap twice to take a screenshot. You can do a double knuckle tap twice to start or stop a screen recording. Clicking on the upper left corner of the trackpad will minimize the window in focus. Clicking on the upper right corner of the trackpad will close the window in focus. A 2-finger swipe to the left from the outside of the right edge of the trackpad will bring up the notification bar. Swiping up and down along the right edge of the trackpad will give you the volume adjustment, and swiping up and down along the left edge of the trackpad will give you the brightness adjustment. Now taking a look at the speakers, we've got Honor's spatial audio, and there is a 6-speaker system with 2 tweeters and 4 bass units, and it's actually quite impressive how good this sounds for its compact size. And there are also 3 built-in microphones. Now for the battery, we've got a 60 watt-hour battery, which is probably the maximum size they could fit in this compact form factor, and it does have a split parallel design, and that's going to give you up to 9.5 to 10.5 hours of continuous office work. Now that's not as long as larger laptops with bigger batteries, but in my usage it's been absolutely fine to get me through the day. And even if you are going to be using this through a long flight, it's going to be absolutely fine without having to plug it in. In addition to that, we do have Turbo OS AI, which adapts to your schedule and optimizes your battery for your usage times. There is also, of course, the 65 watt USB-C power adapter, and that's going to give you around a 43% charge in 30 minutes or a full charge in around 98 minutes. And finally, for the pricing, so this is going to be retailing at 1,699 euros, but Honor do have some really good deals based on your region, so do check out the link down in the description below. And that is the Honor MagicBook Art 14, a super compact laptop with some unique features you're not going to find anywhere else. What do you guys think of it? Drop me a comment below and let me know your thoughts. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, then do smash that like button for me. If you want to see more videos like this, then do consider subscribing to the channel. If you want to see my coverage of the Honor Magic V3, That's going to be here, as well as my coverage of the Honor Magic 6 Pro here. Thanks for watching. This is Saf on SuperSaf TV. I'll see you next time.